All right, time to check on the animals. What a day, some barns empty! Where could they be? I need help! Hey! What are you doing by my barn? Uh-oh, he saw us. Let's grab it and run. Police! Thieves at the barn! Hurry! Stop right there, you two! We give up! Don't arrest us! Howdy, officer. What brings you here? We're after two thieves. Have you seen them? Thieves? My animals will help look! Oh no, they're coming! Let's under arrest. Gotcha. Hello, police? Thieves are on my farm. We're on our way, Farmer McDonald. Thank you. They're by the barn. Stay put. We're here now. Unit 12 responding. We're at the farm. Thank goodness, officer. Those tracks weren't here this morning. Stay calm, sir. Rex, find the scent. Good boy, Rex. Hurry, get him out before someone sees. I'm trying! This goat won't sit still! Shh, keep it down. Police, freeze right there! Don't shoot! Hands where I can see them! Now! Okay. Move forward slowly, no tricks. We give up! Don't shoot! Yeah, we surrender! All right, hands behind your backs. You're under arrest. Good work, officer. My farm is safe. All in a day's work. Oh, my dear animals. I'm so glad you're all safe. And officer, thank you for everything. Just doing my duty, Farmer McDonald. We're all safe now.